This will be a quick video on step 1.5. In the older video, I tried generating a song using lyrics, and it worked well. Now, the workflow in this audio section has been updated. The difference is about the clip file used, which is larger than what we saw in the older video. An audio-to-audio generation will be similar to what we do for images. Instead of this empty latent audio node, I will give the latent audio file to begin. And to do that, the audio must pass through the encode node. With the help of VAE, the encode node will then output the latent, which goes to the K-sampler. The song here used is a pretty famous song, Espresso, by Sabrina Carpenter. I will not be able to play this song, so I will link the same, and you can check in the description. The diffusion model used is the turbo model, which should produce results in 8 sampling steps. And this is the larger clip file I spoke about. The music type and the lyrics are the same I used in the older video. When doing audio-to-audio, make sure to check the duration of the audio file given. In this example, this node will output a 1-minute audio clip. The other value you need to look at is this denoise value, which is 1.0. I will run the workflow with the same value to see how it goes. I got the result in 20 seconds.
Yeah. Turn it up. Turn it up. Click camera flash, we don't miss.
The audio file generated here is nowhere close to the song I uploaded. So I will decrease the denoise value to 0.6 and run the workflow again. I suggest listening to the song from the link in the description and then get back to this video. Now I will play the result generated.
Yeah.
The song generated has similarities with the original song. Decreasing the denoise value further will produce a result more towards the original song. I will not be able to play this result because YouTube might identify this now. The point here is that a higher denoise value allows the diffusion model to make changes in a given audio, and decreasing the same value will restrict the amount of changes in a given audio. The results will not be perfect. The lyrics given are not clearly pronounced in this case, but it was interesting to produce a similar sounding song or music if you are looking for variations. One more thing you should do is use this FLAC node to save the result. FLAC is a lossless format, so if you are using the result as an input for an audio-to-audio workflow, the FLAC file should give a slightly better quality result. Now let's look at a custom node named RyanOnTheInside. I will have it updated on GitHub in the README section. Here it says about support for a step, which can extend, repaint, and make cover songs. So this is the workflow. And I tried processing the latent output again, similar to 2.2. But I am using the same turbo model in both the samplers. Make sure to use the lossless audio. I also tried the base model with 30 steps, but it gave bad results. While doing more research, I found Ryan's YouTube channel, where he is explaining the nodes. Repeating the same content was pointless, so I suggest watching his video. So that was it in this short video. Let me know if you are interested in prompt techniques for generating songs. That's an interesting topic. Wish you an excellent day.